Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peek for you. This one is Divine Grace by Ravynne Phelan. I'm so sorry if I'm botching that last name. It is so pretty. Look at that. It's like a celestial goose is what it reminds me of. But it has really dark colors with a beautiful fade on its head here. We're going to get into it. It's so pretty. This is a round drill canvas. It is 55.6 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. We have our Diamond Art Club box, back kit contents, how-to instructions. We have our thumbnail at the bottom here. And on the side here, it looks like we have 63 colors, 3 ABs, and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds is 57,772. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get into this. I know a lot of you are fans of celestial images, so curious how many people have this on their must-have Black Friday shopping list. Beautiful. Okay, so we have our upgraded toolkit. I am not going to go through it. If you do want a detailed toolkit overview, check out the older non-Black Friday unboxing videos. And we have our thank you packet here. All right, and in here we have a QR code to the Facebook group, step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks, kit contents. If it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, check out the link below. You get a discount and I'll get a little bit of a kickback because it is an affiliate link. So check that out. We have our title on the front here, Divine Grace. And here is a better picture. Beautiful. It's like nice, radiant light coming from the stars here. Lots of designs inside. Pretty. 63 colors. So we have our individualized stickers for your containers that you can use to kit up. You can also put your start and end date for your logbook if you keep one of those. There is that. All right, let's get into it. And there is our trading card. All right, so here is the trading card for Divine Grace. This is another collectible item where you can use to redeem with points by scratching off the back. You can redeem them for things like gift cards and even a custom diamond painting once you get enough points. So definitely keep these. It has the title of it and the artist and the size. So definitely hang on to those. Or some people just like them just to keep track of what they did or to reminisce working on certain kits. So yeah, hang on to those. I like to save mine up and use them as rewards. All right, let's get into this. Oh, wow. This is pretty. So I must say the actual canvas looks so pretty compared to the picture. This is one of those images. I'm sorry, I'm flattening it out. I'm just pulling up each corner slightly and putting it back down so it lays slightly flatter because Diamond Art Club uses poured glue. But yeah, this is one of those images that like looks one way, like just a picture of it, but would be like almost even better as a diamond painting with all the shiny shimmeriness. This is really pretty. So we have tons of color blocking. So even though the background looks mostly, you know, black or dark, we do have like fading from one to the other, which makes a really beautiful effect between like 310 like black and a super dark blue. There's the rendering of that star there. And then we get up into her beak. Our celestial goose watching over us. That's so pretty. But yeah, the colors like in the head here are like super, super vibrant. That's pretty. All right, I'm gonna zoom back out just a little bit. And we're gonna go through the colors. We have the title on the color packaging as well in case you get them mixed up. You like me, you work on tons of different whips at a time. All right. So we have strips of 310 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bags of 310, and then 2 bags of 823. Getting into the next one, we have 336. Oh, 2 bags of 336. And then we have a bunch of 939s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags, 939, and another 823. All right, into this one here. Okay, so now we have 741. Here is a fairy dust, Z743, 6030, 938, Z718, another fairy dust, 815, an AB, ooh, that's pretty, AB 972, 720, 740, 300, 400, 334, and AB 5200. And we have 3834, 3750, 3857, 550, 3842, and 803. All right, we got 2 strands left here. We have 898, 950, 915, 158, 839, 745, 413, 3760, 501, 976, 434, 3837, 6021, 520, 6001, 3045, 415, 318, 3787, 931. Beautiful colors. All right. We have another AB. This is a super pretty blue. AB 3755, 3024. Yep. 3826, 322, 844, 918, 920, 6032, 3768, 900, 414, 517, 223, 3859, 932, 152, 301, 930, 435, and 3607. So, lots of different colors there going on. So yeah, beautiful canvas here, especially if you like those celestial darker designs. It would go great with, sets from some of their other releases from Black Friday too. Beautiful diamond painting. Let me know if you got this one or if it's on your list. I would love to know. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. If you're brand new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post something else, and hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.